if you spend more time on the shop floor and in manufacturing, right, you start building that continuous improvement mindset, and that sticks with you no matter where you go, and that goes into your personal and professional life, right? So that's one thing that I still like, use whenever I'm doing digital transformation. So, for example of that would be, oftentimes in manufacturing, the mindset is if it's not broken, don't fix it, right? I'm making my demand and pushing products out of the factory. Why do I need to invest multi-million dollars into a brand new technology transformation initiative? But with this continuous improvement mindset, we can ask questions like, hey, that's completely fine. But can you make the same with less by implementing automation, by automating some of the repeating processes that you have, by simplifying the processes in the first place? Or can you make more with the same you have by unlocking capacity across your assets by connecting equipment and monitoring the OEE in real time? So these are the type of questions you start asking when you go through that shop floor experience, build that continuous improvement mindset, and you always look for opportunities to improve. That's one thing definitely that I carried in my current role and my previous role in Honeywell from my Volvo days and first Rockwell days. Another thing is coming from shop floor, you're very sensitive to any projects that you do with the plants, right? You have to be empathetic because their primary job is to push product out of the factories. And when you come with all these big transformation initiatives, you have to really ask yourself, like, how are you improving a day in a life at a plant, right? How are the projects that are you doing impacting like people from the shop floor towards the plant manager, eventually to your regional leadership team? So some of these things I like to keep in mind that I brought back from my manufacturing days into my current role. And these are some of the things I look, into before starting any program.